Okay, in this video we're going to have a look at the ideas behind separation of crude oil. Remember that crude oil is a mixture of different length hydrocarbons, and I'm going to give you 3 examples here. So we've got petrol, and next week I want to put the boiling point. So petrol, diesel and bitumen. This is the shortest of the hydrocarbon molecules I've got here, and as you come down they get longer, and we can tell that because the boiling point is actually increasing as we go down the list. Here's my fractionating column. And what happens is the crude oil is pumped in at the bottom. It's very hot at the bottom. And as you go up the column, then it starts to become cooler and cooler and cooler. So all 3 of these are pumped in as a mixture. And the petrol with the lowest boiling point is going to evaporate and it's going to rise up the column. And it will continue to rise up the column until it gets to a temperature that matches its boiling point. When it gets to that temperature, it will then condense, and it will come off as a liquid, and we therefore have taken away a part of our starting chemical. So these parts that we're going to remove are called fractions. Because we've separated the petrol in this way, this fraction is now useful and we can use it in cars. Next to evaporate would be the diesel. So the diesel starts to evaporate. It wouldn't come up as high as the petrol because its boiling point is much higher, so it'll probably come somewhere down here. And the diesel then condenses, is taken away as another fraction, and we've separated it, and again that goes off for use. Diesel is used in lorries and transportation. And the very last one with the highest boiling point probably won't rise up the column at all. It'll just stay at the bottom, so it won't evaporate, and this will be taken away here. And bitumen is used for road surface. So what we end up with is these 3 in our mixture of crude oil being separated, with petrol being up here, diesel here and bitumen here, and we've separated the fractions.